getting ready to sail this Lagoon 42 along the Spanish coast to Torrevieja. It's a tough job, but someone has to do it. Before departure, we stow the food and carry out the usual checks on the systems and engines. A bit of route planning and we're ready to cast off. It's not going to be a long trip, but every yacht delivery is an adventure. The first leg was extremely calm, just a gentle motor as we headed east. With 2 people on board, we ran a watch system of 3 hours on, 3 off. The daily routine involves cooking. Everyone loves pasta. Meal times are when the crew often get together for a chat. Regular engine checks are made along the way and keeping a lookout for other vessels. Dolphins came and joined us, something I'll never get bored of. We were also treated to an epic sunrise. The swell was increasing, a sign of what we had to come. Cabo de Gata was breezy as it so often is. It's the turning point where we leave the Costa del Sol and start heading north along the Costa Blanca. The Lagoon 42 is stable and took it in her stride. She sails really nicely, especially off the wind, cruising at around 7 or 8 knots. We're really enjoying being on board. The Lagoon 42 is a great catamaran for a coastal trip like this, but would also be a fantastic platform to explore further afield. We give a final washdown in Torrevieja and we're ready for the next delivery.